annual showcase of the Shivan School of Art. Every year, this gathering becomes more than a calendar date. It is a reflection of how tradition continues to breathe, evolve, and shine through the next generation. What began in 2017 under the vision of Srimati Maitri Rao has grown into a vibrant ecosystem of classical learning. From a single Bharatnatyam class, Shivansh today stands as home for Bharatnatyam, Carnatic music, yoga, and Kalaripayattu. This year has been one of tremendous growth, exploration, and artistic courage. Our students have learned to honor the stage, their fellow budding artists, and the rich cultural lineage they represent. To our parents and supporters, thank you for entrusting your children in this journey. To our teachers and mentors, your tireless dedication shapes futures. And to our dear students, you carry this legacy forward. May today's evening remind us that art is not a destination, it is a journey of discipline and celebration. Let us celebrate our students' achievements together and inspire each other to reach even greater heights in the future. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you. Thank you for being a part of this special day. Let us begin this evening with the lighting of the lamp. One of the fundamental beliefs at Shivansh is that arts have no borders. And so, I invite Shweta Pratap along with our youngest students, Anumita and Ameya, and our older students, Shesha and Vidya, to light the lamp and begin today's events on an auspicious note.
Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepajyotir Namostute Deepajyotir Namostute Deepajyotir Parabrahma Deepajyotir Janardana Deepajyotir Parabrahma Deepajyotir
8th Annual Showcase of Shivan School of Arts. Today is a very special day, a celebration of a year-long learning, where creativity meets dedication and every student gets their moment to shine. We extend warm welcome to our esteemed parents, families and friends who are here to support the hard work and passion of a young artist. Your encouragement means a great deal to us. At Shivansh, we believe that art is a language of expression, confidence and joy. Tonight's performance reflects months of practice, teamwork and vibrant spirit of our students. So sit back, I request everyone to not move around, relax and enjoy the show. Feel free to cheer and hoot and encourage our performers. Your encouragement truly inspires them. Thank you once again and a warm welcome to every one of you. Let the celebrations begin.
This evening is divided into two parts. We begin with the performances by students pursuing music, followed by those who are learning dance. The music teacher, Anusha Murli Krishna, whose students are now going to be taking the center stage with their performances. Our first performance of the evening, Sri Manvita, Krishna and Nandan will be singing some well-known compositions, Shakti Sahita Ganapatim, Vande Meenakshi, Pahi Durge and Shamile Meenakshi. Please give them a loud round of applause.
Shakti Sahita Ganapatim Shakti Sahita Ganapatim Shakti त्वां सरसिजवक्त्रे पर्णे दुर्गे नरसुरवृन्दे सक्त्रिं कुरु मुहपालिनि जलरुहचरणे वन्दे मीनाक्षि त्वां सरसिजवक्त्रे पर्णे दुर्गे नरसुरवृन्दे सक्त्रिं कुरु मुहपालिनि जलरुहचरणे सुन्दरवाण्यानन्दे नाये सूरितनादारे सुन्दरवाण्यानन्दे नाये सूरितनादारे मीनाक्षी सुन्दरेश्वर साक्षी शङ्करी भुवनेश्वरी देवा श्यामले मीनाक्षी सुन्दरेश्वर साक्षी शङ्करी
Next, we have the father-son duo, Sheshadri Nathan Sundaram and Sundar Sheshadri Nathan, singing Kurai Undrum Melai and Tamburi Meeti Rava. They have been training with Shivansh for the past 2 years. Please welcome them with a loud round of applause.
குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை மறைமூர்த்தி கண்ணா குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை கண்ணா குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை கோவிந்தா குறை ஒன்றும் இல்லை மறைமூடி கண்ணா குறையொன்றும் இல்லை மறைமூர்த்தி கண்ணா மணிவண்ணா மலையப்பா கோவிந்தா கோவிந்தா கலிந்தாளுக்கு இறங்கி கலிலே இறங்கி நிலையாக கோவிலில் நிற்கின்றாய் கேசவா கலினாளுக்கு இறங்கி கலிலே இறங்கி நிலையாக கோவிலில் நிற்கின்றாய் கேசவா குறையொன்றும் இல்லை மறைமூர்த்தி கண்ணா யாரும் மறுக்காத மலையப்பா யாரும் மறுக்காத மலையப்பா உன் மார்பில் ஏதும் தரவிருக்கும் கருணை கடலன்னை என்றும் இருந்திட ஏது குறை எனக்கு என்றும் இருந்திட ஏது குறை எனக்கு ஒன்றும் குறையில்லை மறைமூர்த்தி கண்ணா ஒன்றும் குறையில்லை மறைமூர்த்தி கண்ணா மணிவண்ணா மலையப்பா கோவிந்தா கோவிந்தா மணிவண்ணா மலையப்பா கோவிந்தா 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 ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ಕಾಲವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಕಾಲವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರಾರುಲು ಸೇರಿದವ ಕಾಲವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರಾರುಲು ಸೇರಿದವ ಕಾಲವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರಾರುಲು ಸೇರಿದವ ಕಾಲವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರಾರುಲು ಸೇರಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದ ಗೆಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗೆಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಕಲರಿದೆಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗೆಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಕಲರಿದೆಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗೆಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಕಲರಿದೆಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗೆಜೆಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿದವ ಕಲರಿದೆಯ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಮಾಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಗಾಯನ ಪಾಡಿದವ ಹರಿಮೂರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ಕಾಲವ ತಟ್ಟಿದವ ಸುರಾರುಲು ಸೇರಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ 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 ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾಬ್ದಿ ದಾಟಿದ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವಿಠಲನ ನೋಡಿದವ ವೈಕುಂಠಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡಿದವ ಭವಾದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ ಕಾಲವ ತಟಿದವ ಸುರಾರುಲು ಸೇರಿದವ ತಂಬೂರಿ ತಂಬೂರಿ ಮೀಟಿದವ ಭವಾದಿ ದಾಟಿದವ
I would now like to call upon Padma to share about her journey with Shivan School of Arts.
Good evening. My name is Padma, and when I was 6 years old, I used to attend Bharatnatyam classes. I attended in that academy for 4 months as I loved dance, but left because there was no life in that academy. When I arrived at Shivan School of Arts, my teacher was Shweta ma'am. On the very first day itself, I realized that dance isn't just about perfect postures and adovers, but also about expressions, having fun, and making good friends. I have come to realize that dance has really helped me become a better person. Dance has made me feel more confident, gentle, and also taught me how to manage time a little better. After a few months, I was informed that my tutor had changed from Shweta ma'am to Tanu ma'am and Ananya ma'am. Ananya ma'am is a bit stricter than Shweta ma'am, but is very nice. Tanu ma'am is kind and gentle, and both of them help me improve my dance. I have found dance to be really enjoyable ever since my mother found Shivan School of Arts. Thank you, Amma, for finding the school. And thank you so much, Maitri ma'am, for making such a wonderful school. Thank you.
Thank you, Padma, for sharing that with us. We now have Dr. Sangeeta, Yukti, Kirtana, Lakshmi, and Varnika singing Narayanate Namo and Brahma Okate. They have been training with Shivansh for 3 years now.
नारायणते नमो नमो नारायणते नमो नमो नारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायणते नमो नमो भव नारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायणते नमो नमो भव नारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायणते नमो नमो भव नारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायणते नमो नमो मुरहरण गदर मुकुन्द माधव मुरहरण गदर मुकुन्द माधव मुरहरण गदर मुकुन्द माधव मुरहरण गदर मुकुन्द माधव गरुड आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित यादव कुल मोहन रूपा आदिदेव सकलागम पूजित यादव कुल मोहन रूपा वेदोधार श्री वेंकटनायक वेदोधार श्री वेंकटनायक वेदोधार श्री वेंकटनायक राधा प्रिय दे नमो नमो वेदोधार श्री वेंकटनायक राधा प्रिय दे नमो 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 राधा प्रिय दे नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो भव नारद सन्नुत नमो नमो नारायण ते नमो नमो नाही तननानापुरे तननाना बळ तंदनाना बळ तंदनाना बळ तंदनाना तननानाही तननानापुरे तननाना बळ तंदनाना बळ तंदनाना बळ तंदनाना ब्रह्ममुकटे पर ब्रह्ममुकटे पर ब्रह्ममुकटे पर ब्रह्ममुकटे तंदनानाही तंदनानापुरे तंदनाना बळ तंदनाना बळ तंदनाना बळ तंदनाना तंदनाना ीनादिकमूलेन्दुलेरु अंदरिकी श्रीहरे अंतरात्मा कंडुवगु हीनादिकमूलेन्दुलेरु अंदरिकी श्रीहरे अंतरात्मा हरे अंतरात्मा श्रीहरे अंतरात्मा इंदुलो जंतु कुलम इंकानुकटे అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మా ఇందులో జంతు కులం ఇంకానొకటే అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మా హరే అంతరాత్మా శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మా తందనానాహి తందనానాపురే తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా బళ తందనానా తందనానా బళ తందనానా మీద కాయు ఎండొకటే పుడమి సునకము మీద పొరయు ఎండొకటే కడగి ఏనుగు మీద కాయు ఎండొకటే పుడమి సునకము మీద పొరయు ఎండొకటే కడు పుణ్యను పాప కర్ములను సరిగావా నడియ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర నామం ఒకటే కడు పుణ్యలను పాప కర్ములను సరిగావా నడియ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర నామం ఒకటే ఈశ్వర నామం ఒకటే ఈశ్వర నామం ఒకటే తందనానాహి తందనానాపురే తందనానా బళ తందనానా ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕಟೇ ಪರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕಟೇ ಪರ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮೊಕಟೇ ತದನಾನಾನಿ ತದನಾನಾ ಪುರೇ ತದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ
मुरली गोपाल भजो नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो भजो गण श्याम भजो मुरली गोपाल भजो नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो गिरिधर गोपाल मथुरानाथ गिरिधर गोपाल मथुरानाथ कमल नयन हे कैवल्य धाम कमल नयन हे कैवल्य धाम नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो भजो गण श्याम भजो मुरली गोपाल भजो नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो भजो गण श्याम भजो मुरली गोपाल भजो नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो गिरिधर गोपाल मथुरानाथ गिरिधर गोपाल मथुरानाथ कमल नयन हे कैवल्य धाम कमल नयन हे कैवल्य धाम नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो भजो गण श्याम भजो मुरली गोपाल भजो नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो भजो गण श्याम भजो मुरली गोपाल भजो नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो नंदा के लाल भजो राधे नंदा के लाल भजो चन्द्राय मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् रामचन्द्राय जनकराजमनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् कोसलेन्द्राय मन्दहासदासपोषणाय वासवादिविनुतसत्वराय मङ्गलम् कोसलेन्द्राय मन्दहासदासपोषणाय वासवादिविनुतसत्वराय मङ्गलम् चारुकुङ्कुमोपीठचन्दनादिचर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय सूरिमङ्गलम् चारुकुङ्कुमोपीठचन्दनादिचर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय सूरिमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय सुमतिद्धकामिताय शुभदमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय सुमतिद्धकामिताय शुभदमङ्गलम् रामदासहृदय रामरसनिवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् रामदासमृदुलहृदय तामरसनिवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् 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 सर्वमङ्गलम्
Thank you to all the students for this wonderful, warm beginning to today's evening. Before we move to the second half of today's program, I would request Pushpanjali, Todai Mangalam, and Ganesha Pancharatnam students to please move backstage to prepare. I would also want to take this opportunity to introduce you to the orchestra members who have elevated our music performances. May I request Vidya Suresh to come on stage and felicitate our orchestra.
We have Veeram Raju Lakshmi Ajay on Mridangam. And Meher Sri on the rhythm pads.
I would now like to invite Pavitra on stage to share her learning experience at Shivansh.
Namaskaram everyone and a very good evening to all. My name is Pavitra. Today I'm going to share my experience at Shivansh. I am 7 years old and I have been a student of Maitri Akka for over 2 years. When I first started dance, I thought dance was just moving your hands and legs. But Maitri Akka explained to me that it's a form of art and a way to express yourself. It is the one activity that I never skip unless, of course, I'm sick or hurt. Whenever I learn a new step or adavu, I enjoy the challenge of getting it right. The talam, the posture, the expression and grace. I practice till I get it. In the last 2 years at Shivansh, I made a lot of good friends who take great care of me and inspire me not only to learn till my Arangetram but much beyond. Shivansh has made me more confident to speak and perform on stage because we have annual days, Saha Anubhav and much more. Shivansh is special to me. I love dancing and hope to continue as long as I can. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pavitra. We now move into the dance segment of today's recital. Shivansh has 3 branches and 5 dance teachers across Hyderabad, in Sun City, Banjara Hills, and Kondapur. In the last 7 years, the brand has expanded rapidly and now has over 100 lovely students. Shivansh combines traditional teaching and contemporary thought. emphasizing on body and space awareness, interactive activities, mythology, history, and creative thinking. The aim is to foster a lifelong appreciation of the arts with strong emphasis on sustaining dance over. Shivansh combines traditional learning and contemporary thought, emphasizing body and space awareness, interactive activities, mythology, history, and creative thinking. The aim is to foster a lifelong appreciation for the arts with strong emphasis on sustaining dance over time. Today's dance recital is going to begin with Pushpanjali. It is a traditional invocation piece in Bharatnatyam that marks the beginning of the performance. The term Pushpanjali is derived from two Sanskrit words, Pushpa meaning flower and Anjali meaning offering with folded hands. It is an offering of flowers to the deity, to the audience and the Guru, a gesture of respect and devotion. This piece will be performed by Abhigna, Janvi, Padma, Satviki, Snitika, Manvita, Shridha, and Tanvi. They have been learning dance under Shivansh for the last 1.5 to 2 years. This piece has been choreographed and trained by Ananya and Tanushri under the guidance of Maitri Rao. Pushpanjali in Gambhira Natai Ragam and Adi Talam.
ತಗಜಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಜ್ಜುಂ ತಗಜಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಗಜಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಗಜಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಗಜಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಗಜಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಗಜಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತಗಜಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ 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 ತಜ್ಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಗಜುಣುತಾಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಗ ಧೀಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಗ ನಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಗ ಧಂ ಧಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಗ ಧೀಂ ಧೀಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಗ ದೋಂ ದೋಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಗ ನಂ ನಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿಗಿಡದಗ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಧೀಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ದೋಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಧಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಧಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ದೋಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಧೀಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಾಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಗತ್ತರಿತ ಜಂ ತಗತ್ತರಿತ ಜಂ ತಗತ್ತರಿತ ಜಂ ತಗ ಜೊಡುತಾಂ ತಗತ್ತರಿತ ಜಂ ತಗತ್ತರಿತ ಜಂ ತಗತ್ತರಿತ ಜಂ ತಗ ಜೊಡುತಾಂ ತತ್ತರಿಗಿಡ ದಿತ್ತರಿಗಿಡ ದೊಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ನಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಧೀಂ 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 ತದ್ದಿ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತತ್ತಣ್ಣಂ ತತ್ತರಿ ತತ್ತರಿಗಿಡ ದಿತ್ತರಿಗಿಡ ದೊಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ನಂ ತರಿಗಿಡ ಧೀಂ 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 ತದ್ದಿ ತತ್ತಜ್ಜಂ ತತ್ತಣ್ಣಂ ತತ್ತರಿ ತರಿ ತಕ ಜುಣು ತಕತಾಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ಜುಣು ತಕತಾಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ಜೊಡುತಾಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ಜೊಡುತಾಂ ಜೊಡು ತಕತಾಂ ಜೊಡು ತಕತಾಂ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತಳಾಂಗು ತಗಜಂ ದಿತ್ತಳಾಂಗು ತಗಜಂ ತಳಾಂಗು ತಗಜಂ ತಗು ತರಿಗಿಡ ತಗತಾಂ
Please have another loud round of applause for our girls. The next composition is a gem given to us by Adi Shankaracharya, Ganesha Pancharatnam. After the initial salutations, we invoke the blessings of Ganesha, Vignaharta, the remover of obstacles. This piece is really special as it is being performed by Shivanshu's most enthusiastic batch, our ladies batch, with all the students being 30 plus years in age. They all come from various different professions: engineers, teachers, businesswomen, doctors. They all continuously inspire us with their joy, consistency, and resilience. The dancers are Jayashri, Mamta, Meena, Mrinali, Pavani, Sangeeta, Srilata, Uma, and Varshali. Please invite our lovely ladies on stage. They have been learning dance with Shivansh for 4 years now. This piece has been choreographed and the girls have been trained by Shweta Pratap. Ganesha Pancharatnam, sung by M.S. Subbalakshmi, composed by Adi Shankaracharya.
मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकं मुदाकरात्तमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं गताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भदैत्यकं गताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकम् न तेतरातिभीकरं नवोदिताटभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं न ताधिकापदुद्धरं न तेतरातिभीकरं नवोदिताटभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं न ताधिकापदुद्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं समाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं धरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मानस्करं नमस्कृतां नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनातिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणम् अकिञ्चनातिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपालदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तलीलमन्तराय गृन्तरं नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तलीलमन्तराय गृन्तरं कृतन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततं कृतन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम्
Hari Smaranam. To remember Hari is to remember the many faces of the divine. Hari appears as Rama, plays as Krishna, Narayana and Venkatesha, each a reflection of love, duty and grace. Some remember him through song, some through dance, some in silence and some in service. This recital is a journey through those countless forms and countless ways to worship, an ode to Narayana. Our next piece is a quintessential part of the Margam, Todai Mangalam. Todai Mangalam is presented as a garland of verses dedicated to the forms of Lord Vishnu. These verses are composed by great saints like Sri Annamacharya and Sri Vijaya Gopal Swamigal. Often sung as an invocation in temples, the Sampradaya Bhajan commences only after Todai Mangalam is sung. Through this performance, the dancers offer salutations to Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, and Lord Srinivasa, all forms and names of Mahavishnu. The dancers are Navya, Adya, Hridaya, Manisha, Isha, Tanu, Ananya, and Ira. They have been learning dance under Shivansh for the past 4 years. This piece is choreographed by Maitri Rao, and the girls have been trained by Maitri and Ananya. Todai Mangalam in Raga Malika and Tala Malika.
जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुग चरण जय दीन करुणा जय जय सरोरुग चरण जय वीर करुणा जय 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 जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुग चरण जय धीर करुणा जय 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 जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुग चरण जय धीर करुणा जय जय
ಧೃಕುತಕ ಧೃಕುತಕ ತಕ ಧೃಕುತಕ ಧೃಕುತಕ ತಕ ಧೃಕುತಕ ಧೃಕುತಕ ತಕ ಧಳಂಗುತ ದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತಕಿಟ ತಾ ತಕತ ಧಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಕತ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತಕಿಟ ತಾ ತಕತ ಧಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತಕಿಟ ತಕತ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತಕಿಟ ಕಾಮ್ ತ ಧಿಂ ಧಿಂ ತಕಿಟ ತಾಂಗ್ ತತ್ ಧಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತಾಂಗ್ ತತ್ ಧಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತಾಂಗ್ ತತ್ ಧಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ
चरणु चरणु सुरेन्द्र सन्नुत चरणु श्री सती वल्लभा चरणु राक्षस गर्व संहर चरणु वेंकटनायका स्वामी श्री रघुनायका विजय वेंकटनायका चरणु 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 सुरेन्द्र सन्नुत चरणु श्री सती वल्लभा चरणु राक्षस गर्व संहर चरणु वेंकटनायका स्वामी श्री रघुनायका विजय वेंकटनायका चरणु 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 सुरेन्द्र सन्नुत चरणु श्री सती वल्लभा चरणु राक्षस गर्व संहर चरणु वेंकटनायका स्वामी श्री रघुनायका विजय वेंकटनायका चरणु चरणु
ಧೃಕುತಕ ತಕ ಧೃಕುತಕ 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 ತಕ ಧೃಕುತಕ 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 ತಕ ಧೃಕುತಕ ಧೃಕುತಕ ಧಳಂಗುತೋಂ ತಕತ ಧಿಂಗಿಣ ತದ್ದಿ ತಕ ನಕ ಜೊಂ ತರಿತ ತರಿತಾಗ ಧಣತಾಗ ಜೊಣುತ ತಕತಿ ತಕ ನಕ ಜೊಂ ತರಿತ ತರಿತಾಗ ಧಣತಾಗ ಜೊಣುತ ತದ್ದಿ ತಕ ನಕ ಜೊಂ ತರಿ ತಕತಿ ತಕ ನಕ ಜೊಂ ತರಿತ ತುಂ ತತ್ ತುಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತಾತ ತುಂ ತತ್ ತುಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತಾತ ತುಂ ತತ್ ತುಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ
ಮುರಹರನ ಕತರ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಭವ ಭಂಜನ ಕೇಶವ ನರ ಮೃಗ ಶರೀರ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಜಯ ನಾರದ ಸನ್ನುತ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಮುರಹರನ ಕದರ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಭವ ಭಂಜನ ಕೇಶವ ನರ ಮೃಗ ಶರೀರ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರದ ಸನ್ನುತ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಮುರಹರನ ಕದರ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ಪಂಕಜನಾಭ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಭವ ಭಂಜನ ಕೇಶವ ನರ ಮೃಗ ಶರೀರ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರಾಯಣ ತೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ನಾರದ ಸನ್ನುತ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ
ಧೃಕುತಕ 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 ಧಳಂಗುತಕ ತಿಕ್ಕುತಕ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತು ತಾಹತ ಜಂ ತರಿತ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಜಕ ತರಿತೈ ತಾಹತ ಜಂ ತರಿತ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಜಕ ತರಿತೈ జం తరి తాజం తరి జగ తరి తరి తాహ తజం తతహ తజం తత్ తజం దరగడదం తత్ తజం దరగడదం కిడదగ దరగడదం తత్ తజం దరగడదం తత్ కిడదగ దరగడదం
देवेश घनाराधित दिव्याम्बुज पादा श्रीवेङ्कटगिरिनायक श्रीशैलेशरीका देवेश घनाराधित दिव्याम्बुज पादा श्रीवेङ्कटगिरिनायक श्रीशैलेशरीकाय देवेश घनाराधित दिव्याम्बुज पादा श्रीवेङ्कटगिरिनायक श्रीशैलेशरीका
దుర్గుర్తక్క 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 దళంగుతక్క తదింగణ తత్తి తకనక జం తటికిట తకత తక తకిట ధిమి తకిట తకతి తకనక జం తటికిట తకతి తక తకిట ధిమి తకిట తత్తి తకనక జం తటికిట తక తకతి తకనక జం తటికిట తక దళంగుతం కిడదగదగడదం దళంగుతం దళంగుతం తక్కిడదగదగడదం తక్కిడదగదగడదం దళంగుతం 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 తక దిక్కు కిడదగదగడదం తక దిక్కు కిడదగదగడదం తక దిక్కు కిడదగదగడదం
माधव भवदूते मङ्गलम् मधुमूर हरते जय मङ्गलम् गोपाल माधव भवदूते मङ्गलम् मधुमूर हरते जय मङ्गलम् गोपाल माधव भवदूते मङ्गलम् मधुमूर हरते जय मङ्गलम् गोपाल
దుర్గుర్తక్క 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 దళంగుతక్క దిక్కుతక్క తదింగణ